Skye here and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Zhia. I'm a 17-year-old Filipina YouTuber. So I do makeup videos, lifestyle, cooking, and Skye tries it videos. Okay, so for today's video, it's gonna be a collective haul because it's been a while since I did my last collective haul. I think it was 1 year ago. And oh my god, yeah, it was a beauty haul. If you guys didn't know, nag-sale yung SM last week. So you guys know the drill.
Shopping.
Ganito yun, guys. May mga items ako dito na from SM, from an online shop, then from PR, and what else? Yeah. That's all I think. Super konti lang talaga nung nabili ko. Okay. Bottom to top tayo, guys. So magsisimula tayo sa mga footwear. So the first thing that I got, this one is from an online shop. This is for 350 pesos. It's kind of mustard though. Mustard or parang brown siya. Basta block heels lang siya. Then, 2 inches. As you can see, nagamit ko na siya once. Kasi, nag-attend ako ng debut. And, I don't want to use yung heels ko. May heels naman ako. Pero, 5 inches siya, te. And then, super taas niya. So, my height is 5'4". Ayoko naman na magmukha akong giant, you know, giant building. May strap siya dito. And then, parang siyang ganyan. Shook! So, this one is handmade. So, yes, let's support handmade sandals. If you guys want to buy like this, I will leave her link in the description box down below. And the next one is my school shoes. Okay, I super trust this brand. It's Bandolino. I really love it. I've been using this brand since I was in grade 8. I used to buy the Mary Jane's shoes, like parang may strap, pero this time parang mas mukhang college-like. Bumili ako ng shoes na parang wala na siyang strap. It's leather type. Ito nga pala yung design niya. Lalo na sa mga mahilig malit, ito talaga yung mga shoes na para sa atin, no? Yung man-made leather, it will only take 1 year, tapos masisira na siya kagad, like mapupunot na yung skin niya. Pero yung leather, guys, it will take you legit 2 years or more than that if marunong kayo mag-alaga na sapatos niya. So yeah, I'm size 7 by the way. Short story time. When I was in grade school, I used to buy 5 shoes in a year. So like every quarter parang bago talaga yung sapatos ko kasi super killer feet ko, guys. Okay. I'm kinda ashamed of that, but it's true. Hindi ko alam kung anong... Why am I holding it? Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ng feet ko, pero when I walk really fast talaga. Like, para kung kabayo, siguro. Parang super boyish ko kasi nung grade school ako. Yung shoes ko back then was Mario de Boro kasi super gusto ko talaga yung designs nila. Super teen-like, kiddie-like. May ibang shoes naman sa Bandolino na mas cheaper siya. 1,200. It's quite expensive though, pero quality-wise naman siya. Hindi siya madaling masira. So, plano ko next year, hindi na ako bibili ng school shoes kasi ito na yung magiging shoes ko for 2 years? 3 years? We don't know. Basta, so if you guys have a killer feet like me, I recommend Bandolino. Ito lang talaga yung nagtagal sa akin, guys. Oh my god. I wanted to show you my other Bandolino school shoes, pero nahihiya ako, guys, kasi super dumi na nila. Okay, fine. Wait lang. Okay, here it is. See, I'm a Bandolino. See, I'm a Bandolino lover. Parang apat yung Bandolino ko, pero nawala ko na yung isang box. Hindi ko alam asan siya. Yeah, this was my shoes, grade 10. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Basta, ganito siya. Ganito yung style niya. It looks like this. Okay. So, yun yung shoes ko no grade 8 or grade 7. Up until now, ginagamit ko pa rin siya. So, yun. So, I only got 3 items from Forever 21. So, the first one is the earrings. This one's on sale to 99 pesos only, guys. Like, look at the design though. I also got a necklace from Forever 21. This one's, the original price is 280 pesos. Then, it's 499 pesos na lang. So, it looks like this. Parang siyang choker na color gold. I also got socks. So, everything I bought from Forever 21 is 99 pesos only, guys. Thank you, Lord, for the sale. Okay, so yeah, it's just a black over-the-knee socks na may red stripes dito. So like, I've been looking for this for a long time na. And kabili ako ng socks, knee socks, pero hindi siya over the knee. Parang below the knee lang siya, guys. I got one maong shorts from the SM department store. So this one's on sale from 399.75. It's only for 100 pesos. It's kind of high waist. Well, it really is high-waisted jeans. The brand is unknown though, but who cares? You know, I bought this SM department store as well, and it is the boyfriend jeans na may this is the boyfriend jeans na may ripped, kind of ripped din sa baba. So I can't wear this in school, guys.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Not allowed, so yeah, it looks like this. Wait, let me lock it. Okay, so there you go. Ta-da! There. Okay, so this one's for 349 pesos plus my sale pa, which is 10%. So you guys do the math. Okay, so I also got a red jacket from SM department store as well. This one's for 399 pesos, I guess. Or yeah, it was for 399 pesos. I'm not sure kasi nawala ko na yung resibo. I don't know where it is. What I like about this is that it's just manipis and it's not thick yung tela niya. Tapos may detail siya dito na parang may white. So, yun. It looks like that. So, may iba't ibang colors nito. May black, gray, then red. So, pinili ko talaga yung XL so that it would look like an oversized jacket. So, yeah. Nag-achieve naman ako doon. I also got one item from H&M and it's just a pants para sa school kasi pag wash day, hindi kami nag-uniform, nag-civilian kami. And this one is the skinny ankle, regular waist, denim, so it looks like this. So wala pa akong jeans na color navy blue kasi puro light yung mga jeans ko. This one's 599 pesos. It was not on sale, guys. I also got one item from Oxygen kasi it's super cute. I love flamingos and it's on. See, it's so cute. It's sky blue and it has pink flamingos. Flamingos. It's just like this. So, parang siyang crop top pero hindi siya crop top sa akin. Kasi, what size is this ba? It's medium. And parang last na lang to. So, binili ko na siya. Hindi na ako nagpatumpik-tumpik pa. Okay, so the next one, hindi to siya clothes, guys. It's not makeup either. Pero, gusto ko talaga yung mga oils. So, I have here the vanilla scented oil and the lagoon scented oil. This one's for 99.75 pesos only. And if you guys have the parang pot na lalagyan mo siya ng oil, then candle sa ibaba. Someone commented on one of my video na mag-Shopee haul daw ako. Pero, late ko na siya nabasa. So, yeah, I only got one item from Shopee. And it's the Nova Curler. This is how it looks like. And, pangalawang bili ko na to. Kasi yung first na bili ko, guys, pumutok siya dun sa Crown Regency nung nag-makeup workshop ako. If you guys haven't watched that vlog yet, I will leave the description box. I will leave the link down below in the description box. Okay, yeah. So, this is how it looks like. So, tinapon ko na yung isa. Okay, so, I'm not saying naman na it's not safe. Safe naman siya, pero matagal na kasi yon sa akin. Parang magto 2 years na. So, pumutok siya dun sa Crown Regency. Pero, hindi siya nagsunog, guys, or something. Pagputok niya talaga, para siyang puk! Kinabahan ako, te. So, tinanggal ko agad yung parang plug niya kasi baka masunog yung crown. Ako pa yung dahilan kung bakit nasunog yung crown. Enough that. So, yung curls niya is parang like this. So, pinadala siya sa akin ng, hindi to LBC. Okay, pinadala siya sa akin na X-Post. And, small pouch lang siya. Then, medyo mabilis siyang dumating. Parang 1 week lang ata ako naghintay. So, sanay naman tayo maghintay. So, okay lang. Then, It comes with a box, pero hindi siya nakalagay sa box, guys. Yung curler mismo, hindi siya nakalagay sa box. Parang flat lang yung box. Then, yung curler talaga, nakalagay siya mismo dito sa parang bubble wrap. If you guys want to see how I curl my hair using the Nova curler, just comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so the next thing that I bought is eyeglasses. And okay, my purpose kung ba't ko binili itong glasses na to, this is not just for the style, okay? Wala to siyang grade. This one is the anti-radiation glasses. This one's from, wait, I forgot the brand. It's from iChannel Sung. This one's for 399.75 pesos, and it comes with the case, hard case, and it also comes with a neon green pouch na super hayag niya. So, imposible naman hindi niyo siya makikita. So, okay. It looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. Parang siyang round lang. Anti-radiation glasses lang to. So, pag nag-gadgets ako, napoprotektahan niya yung eyes ko from the radiation. If you guys know what I mean. If the sky is the limit, and the limit is the sky. Okay, I got one item from Daiso, and if kilala niyo ako, mahilig talaga akong mag-mask. So, kapag pupunta ako ng outside world, outside ng bahay ko, nagmamask talaga ako. So, yeah, I got one from Daiso, and it's my first time to try this model. Usually, pag bumibili ako ng mask, it's from Miniso. Nakatry ako ng, Daiso once din. It's color pink. 40 pieces siya for 88 pesos din. Pero this one is, oh my god, this one's so freaking small. Like, look at that. Wait. Look. Gusto ko yung mask. Okay. Gusto ko yung mask na fully covered siya dito. Pero this one, hindi siya fully covered, guys. Maliit siya. Size medium na to, ha. Pero I think kid size or small size pa rin to para sa mga bata. Eh, malaki yung mukha natin, eh. I got one item from the Apple Store, and it is an Apple charger. Cord lang pala siya. Lightning to USB cable. 1 meter lang to, guys, kasi oh my god, if alam nyo lang kung ilang charger cables na yung nabili ko, pero hindi talaga nag-work sa akin. Kailangan ko talaga yung original na charger. So, yeah, I bought this one. This one's from Cable Monster, 195 pesos. Mataas yung cord niya. It's color white. Super dali niyang masira, guys. Like, I think 1 week lang yun, ha. 1 week pa lang yun nasa akin. Tapos nasira na siya. Pagkasira nito, bumili ako sa parang mini good. Malapit lang sa amin na store. Parang Korean store din siya. Bumili ako ng charger ulit. Girl, 1 day ko pa lang siya nagagamit. Hindi na siya nagpa-function. Tapos nawala ko yung resibo, so hindi ko siya masolid dun sa store. Okay, so eto siya. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng cord protector. So this is it. Hindi to siya kasali, guys. Okay, so I will show you kung paano ko siya nilagyan ng cord protector para hindi masira kagad yung charger ko. So, unang-una, wow, nilagyan ko siya ng parang may spring. Makukuha nito sa parang ball pen na may spring siya, guys. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Okay, that one. Then, cord protector, you guys can buy this lang sa mall. Just tell them na you're looking for cord protector. So, yeah, I bought the black, then pink, then black. Or black, pink, in your area. Then, sa dulo naman, nilagyan ko ulit siya ng metal na spring. Mahirap kasi ilagay yung metal na spring, so hindi ako ang naglagay. Yung kuya ko naglagay. So, I suggest, if nasira yung Apple charger nyo, guys, I recommend buying na lang yung original kaysa buying the fake ones. Tapos, madali naman din masira. So, yeah, just buy the original one, okay? Yeah. Since we were talking about the Apple charger, I just want to share this with you guys. Nasira kasi yung phone ko, yung iPhone ko, yung screen niya. So, eto yun. Ito siya. Kinuha ko siya from nag-aayos ng screen. So, eto na yung bagong screen ko. Then, this one is the old one. Ito yung old na screen niya. The next items are the things that I got from Watson's. So, unang-una, I got a lip balm from Watsons. I wasn't expecting the makikita ko to sa Watsons. And this one is the Classic Carmex. Parang na-mention ko to sa last video ko, yung back to school makeup routine 2018 ko. So this one, this is what I'm using, the lip balm. This is so effective sa dry lips. It's yummy din. It really helps moisturize your chapped lips if you have one. I recommend na this to my friend because she has a chapped lips. I mean, yeah, she has a dry lips. So yeah, so far so good. She's been loving it. So I got these three, the Tawas, Gauze Bandage, and Vicks because I was planning to make the Japanese cream. Pero hindi ko pa siya nagawa. So dito muna to. Oh, I also got Bandage. Yeah. CoverGirl Liquid Foundation, True Blend, and also the concealer. So nagamit ko na to sa back to school makeup routine ko 2018, and this one I haven't used this in one of my videos, but maybe soon. I got two perfumes right here. This one's from Avon, and this one is a prize from Jamie's debut. See? Jamie turned 18. So yeah, belated happy birthday, Jamie, if you're watching this. Hello. Wait, nalimot na ko sa smell. I forgot the smell of this one already. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh. Fancy. Oh, this is the bottle. Okay, so this is how the bottle looks like. And oh my god, so hard, huh? Oh. Wait. Oh. Pumasok siya sa ilong ko, guys. Ah. It smells good, ha? Parang siyang fresh na pabango lang. Thank you, Jamie! This one is from Avon nga, diba? Paulit-ulit eh. I will open it for you guys. Para makita nyo yung bottle. So, yeah. This is the packaging. Oh, nice! Oh, I'm loving this. This is a nice one, Avon. Last item na ata. Ay, girl! Meron pa. Oh, I also got the yogurt mask from Watsons din siya. This one is in the flavor strawberry extract. So, this one is skin softening and brightening. Brightening. This one is really cheap. I think it's less than 100. I'm not sure sa price na eh, kasi nawala ko na yung receipt. The last item na siguro. Okay, this one's from rivecowe. I got five shades of their lip fixers. This is the packaging. This is how it looks like. So, nagmamatify siya sa lips niyo, and it is super easy to use. Parang one glide lang siya. So, okay, I'm gonna swatch. These are the 5 shades ng rivecowe sliding lip fixers nila. So, this one's my favorite. This is the sliding brown. So, yun. I look like Miranda sings. Hey. Para din siyang bright pink. Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on the notification bell button right beside the oh my god, I can't talk, right beside the subscribe button if you want to see more of me. And yeah, comment down below any video suggestions or video requests that you would like to see on my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys next time, and don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky's the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.